Hi everybody. Today we came to this really cool lake to do some canoeing. When you're canoeing, you need certain gear. You're gonna need a paddle. So it should be the height of your chin, but this was the smallest size there was. The next thing is a life jacket. And then there is this. This is two things. So there's a rope. So if someone falls off the canoe, you could throw the bag to them and pull the rope. And if water gets inside the canoe, you can use this and you can scoop up the water. And you need a whistle. So we found parts of like an old raft underwater. It's really cool. So the person in the back where I'm sitting now is the person that steers the canoe. And the person in the front doesn't have much control of the canoe. They can kind of just help with this like momentum and stuff. So if you want to go to the left, then you're gonna paddle on the right. And if you want to go to the right, you're gonna paddle on the left. That side over there, that's where we saw the eagle and the raft, and that is where we came from. There. And right now we're standing on like a dock, kind of, except it's floating on the water. Oh, and you know what it's called? A floating dock. had a really fun trip. We saw some really cool things like the eagle and the raft. And we had lots of fun. And it can be really fun going on a canoe. Just remember to be safe. See you in the next video. Bye.